anger in her heart. Father, she don't deserve to carry so much anger in her heart. The young boy is striving. She is striving, Father God. She just want to see the lights, Father God, and she see the lights, and then she turn around and box the young boy in her face.
Yes.
Mama, you alright?
I'm okay.
What deal?
May I beg you 2 lime? I want to make some juice.
Jesus Christ, Mama, what happened?
You thirsty?
No, talk to me. You look sad. I don't want to. Listen to me. Don't cry. Talk to me. RT Jr., why are you so sad?
Listen, me thirsty. May I beg you 2 lime? Help me now. Help me now, man.
The boy in the house
No.
ain't gone.
I'm gone a long time.
Hey boy, if you watch this, me I kick you down when me see you. Me I kick him down, Mama. Don't cry, Mama. Wipe your tears, Mama. Wipe your tears. Mama, me I got 3 curtain for the blood clot boy now. How many times I got 3 curtain boy now? Problem in them, Mama. I got 3 curtain. Mama, I got, hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy.
Auntie Junior, help me please.
What him do to you? Him put your hand on you?
No, and me put me hand on him.
You put your hand on him?
Yeah.
So you put your hand on him and they cry, Mama?
Yeah, because him dead.
Me hear you, what you say? You kill him?
I kill him with some lick.
No, man, I have to go back to church. You abuse the little picnic. No, man, you abuse man. What on it?
No, man.
No, man, you kill him boy really cover there. What on it, man?
RT Junior, me no rap with
no,
man.
you abuse him, man. No, you abuse him, man. Over there, come over here crying. I look for sorry for.
Me no ramp with man.
Me know you say.
Me no ramp with man.
They get pass the right rum in there so with 2, 3. But hear me I say. Pass the white rum in there so with 4 cube of ice, 1 Canberra, 1 Red Bull, and 4 lime.
Me no ramp with man.
So, Mama, what on the Mama? Me don't understand. You beat the man.
Beat him, yes. Cause me no ramp with man.
So, you, what on it? So, your man, B, your man, so your man, so your man, A, B, what on the Mama? Your man,
A, B, C, D, and Z. Yeah. Yeah.
Mama, your man, A, B, U, A, B, U, E, S, E, abuse it. Your man abuse her.
Yo, he might go press charges.
Me know you say.
He might go press charges.
Jesus Christ, Mama, wait there.
Me can't go back.
Christ.
Me can't go back.
Jesus. Hold on, Mama. Hold on. Let me look one. What is it? Hold on, Mama.
You know, for when me ask you for the line, I beg you 2 lime.
You want 2 lime?
Yeah, man. No, sir.
No, you need healing.
Me don't know if him dead. Yeah, right. Me cut more than Jesus slippers. I am to you.
Mama, I'm gonna read for you. Give me a minute.
Okay, I'm waiting patiently.
You're blessed now. So, Mama, me ask you something now. Is a young boy you beat or is a old man you beat?
Young.
Mama charge a press. Mama charge a go press. Mama, me ask you something. Are you pitney?
No.
So you get up and beat people pitney, so.
Me tell you
Mama,
some,
you can't get up and just beat people boy pitney, so.
me tell you some, me no ram.
What you say?
Me tell you some, me
You
no
no
ram.
ramp?
Me no ram.
Then move for the ramp, you don't play.
That's true.
Mama, you can't deal with the people them, so. How much far you come from town? Young boy, you press charge nowadays now because they have sense, because they don't want to go back home. Too much violence here in Jamaica. So as a woman start touching them, they run to the police station. Mama, hear me I say, Mama. Make sure you're good.
Yes.
Mama, let me ask you something. From a scale to 1 to 10, you good?
Yes. What you
Me
mean
say
if
from a scale from 1 to 10, how good as you?
me bad?
Me say, mama, from a scale from a 1 to 10, bad is not a number. Me say, from 1 to 10, how bad are you?
10. That's
Mama, your
not
boy, they can't press charge for you.
Yeah, 10.
Him know why you got here, go look up with your food hole. Him probably make press charge, you know, mama. Because boy, probably when you got jail, they are told you and the hole get tighter. And when they come out, you know, you go skin it out and give him again.
Yeah.
So hear me, I say, mama.
True. You're right still. You're
That
right.
me I try to tell you. So go and go lay down for one day.
Alright. Me I go fast.
No. What happened with that? Go and go lay down for one day. Make the boy press charge for you.
Okay.
Make the boy call police for you.
Alright.
See the trouble say you're 11, that means you broke your scale.
Chaba,
Yeah, that can you know Chabas.
No, Chaba say I go call 911.
I'm that nigga from the Chabas TV. Chabas say you're 11. So mama, that the young boy there, where you just beat, cross him off I live. Chabas over your son put work here right now. I'm that nigga from the Chabas TV. Him there I want you. Mama, you me I say, lucky yeah, man, I pray for you one time. The quick and fast, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you. Set your phone good again, so you can't see. Come in, want you can't see.
Okay. Me are weird.
Father God, as I came before you today, she took up young boy in her life and can't control the young boy. The young boy bad like her last son. Right now, she says she can't control the little young boy, so she beat the young boy. God, I'm just asking you for forgiveness, mercy, pamper. Me not talk about the little one she put on her man because the little boy that. Mama beat the little boy, mama confused. Mama, good all I do it, don't it?
Yes.
And mama always speak out and say, never lie. You understand? Mama, good girl. But mama have an anger problem, Jesus. I just want you to take it out. Just take out the anger of her, Jesus. Take out the anger, Jesus. She don't deserve to carry so much anger in her heart. Father, she don't deserve to carry so much anger in her heart. The young boy is striving. She is striving, Father God. She just want to see the lights, Father God. And she see the lights and then she turn around and box the young boy in her face.
Yes.
Hallelujah. Mama, don't cry. Wipe your tears away. You're going to need them when you book you again and the police them today. As I was saying, Mama, just control yourself and guide yourself in a one road. You understand me? I say, take back yourself and bring back yourself in a one piece. Make sure you reach. Driver! When the young boy around the car, don't stop at all. As I was saying,
me not tap.
don't tap.
Me not tap.
Hallelujah. Mama.
Yes.
I just wanted to carry on and be safe. Look out how you hide them, yeah? Because the street not safe with you right now.
Okay.
All right then. Have a wonderful night. Wipe your
Thank
tears
you.
away.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. All right.
Yes. That's what I'm here for, to help people. Yeah. That's what I'm here for, to help people. I'm not here to discriminate. You understand? I'm here to help all and peoples. Remember, this is my job, to help people. Me not come here so I discriminate at all.